Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Cast. I'm Emily, your English teacher and friend. Today, we have a very practical episode. We're going to talk about daily use English sentences, simple phrases that you can use every day in real situations. These are sentences you can practice at home, at work, at the bus stop, anywhere. And of course, Jay is here with me. Hi, Jay.
Hey, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm excited about today's episode. Daily English sentences are my favorite because I can use them right away in real life.
Exactly. And the idea today is to keep everything slow, natural, and very clear for beginners. So relax, listen, and repeat with us. Ready, Jay?
Let's do it.
Okay, Jay, let's begin with something everyone does, waking up. Very simple daily phrases. I'll say them and you repeat. Then we'll use them in a little conversation. Deal?
Deal.
Here we go. I'm getting up. I'm still sleepy. I need coffee. I'm getting ready. I'm leaving now.
These are great. I use I need coffee every single morning.
Same. Let's try a short dialogue using these sentences.
Okay.
Good morning, Jay. Are you getting up?
Yes, I'm getting up, but I'm still sleepy.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, I need coffee. A lot of coffee.
All right, get ready. We're leaving soon.
I'm getting ready now.
Now let's move to everyday situations where you need help or information. These are essential sentences. Repeat after me. Can you help me? Can you repeat that? I don't understand. What does that mean? Can you speak slowly?
These are the real-life lifesavers, especially can you speak slowly?
Absolutely. Most English learners need that one. Let's do a short scene. Imagine you're at the supermarket.
All right.
You're trying to find the milk aisle. So I ask, can I help you?
Yes, can you help me? I'm looking for milk.
Sure. It's on aisle 5.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Aisle 5.
Thank you. Now I understand.
Now let's talk about polite daily English, the kind of thing you say to be friendly and kind. Repeat with me. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No problem. Have a nice day.
These phrases make a huge difference, especially excuse me.
Yes, super useful when you need to pass, interrupt, or get someone's attention. Let's do a natural short scene.
All right.
You're walking into a store, and I'm standing in the way.
Excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem.
Can I help you with anything?
Yes, please.
Sure. Have a nice day. Now something everyone needs, restaurant English. Very simple phrases anyone can use. Repeat. A table for 2, please. I'd like this. Can I have water? The food is great. Can I have the check, please?
These are perfect, very short and very practical.
Let's make a little restaurant scene.
Let's go.
Hello. Welcome to the restaurant. A table for 2?
Yes, a table for 2, please.
Here you go. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like this and water, please.
Great choice.
The food is great.
I'm happy you liked it. Anything else?
Just the check, please.
Now let's practice simple small talk, daily English you can use with anyone. Repeat. How are you? I'm good. Not bad. What about you? Where are you from? Nice to meet you.
These feel very natural.
Yes, and they help you sound friendly and confident. Let's practice. Hi, Jay. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
Where are you from?
I'm from California. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Daily actions. Talking about what you're doing. Now let's practice sentences you use at home, work, or school. Repeat after me. I'm working. I'm studying. I'm cooking. I'm cleaning. I'm waiting. I'm on my way. I'm almost there. I'll be right back.
I like these. They are short but powerful.
Exactly. Daily sentences are all about clarity and simplicity. Let's use them in context. Jay, what are you doing right now?
I'm studying, and later I'm cooking.
Nice. I'm working on new lessons.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Take your time. Let's go into planning, organizing, and errands. Repeat. I need to go to the bank. I need to buy groceries. I have a meeting. I'm going to the gym. I'm staying home today. Let's go. I'm ready.
I sound like my real life.
Exactly. Let's make a small plan for the day together. What do you need to do today, Jay?
I need to buy groceries, and I'm going to the gym later.
Nice. I have a meeting later, but I'm free now.
Great. Can you help me with something?
Sure. What do you need?
Can you explain this word? What does it mean?
Of course. Let me see.
Thanks, and sorry if I ask too many questions.
It's okay, Jay. That's how you learn.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
And that's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed these daily use English sentences. They're simple, practical, and perfect for everyday life.
I loved this episode. Very useful. I think our listeners will use these sentences every day.
That's the goal. Remember, practice a little every day. Repeat these sentences, record yourself, listen again, and try using them in real situations. Thank you for listening to Daily English Cast. See you next time.
See you, everyone.